Turning to the day on Wall Street, U.S. stocks rose as the indexes rebounded following a week of losses. The Dow Jones ended the day flat, up about 16 points. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ both climbed less than 1%. Joining us now is William Power. William is a features editor for the Wall Street Journal. Bill, welcome. Great to see you. Thanks for being here. So what was driving the market pretty much nowhere today? It stayed flat.
The market's trying to reconcile what happened in May, where we came perilously close to being in a bear market, being down 20% from a high. And at the end of the month, we suddenly had a rally because of bargain hunting and stocks that have been beaten down, like Netflix and Zoom Video. And we wound up being unchanged for the month. But if you follow the daily moves, it didn't feel unchanged. It was scary on a lot of days. So today wasn't much to today at all. We're going to have to see where we go from here.
And the S&P 500 was close to slumping into a bear market, but it did bounce back. How concerned should we be about the outlook?
Well, the Wall Street Journal had a role in defining what a bear market is decades ago. So the 20% number is kind of arbitrary, I have to admit. But for a regular investor, they probably shouldn't get too fearful about it. May is a perfect example. There were days you felt like you should drain your 401k, but you shouldn't. By the end of the month, it wasn't much of a change. And one of our points in today's personal investing monthly report, which I edit, is that it shows, once again, if you're a long-term investor, you can look at your asset allocation every once in a while, but you really shouldn't freak out too much about the day-to-day moves.
Right.
We're going to see what the Fed does, see if they can control inflation. Long-term, you shouldn't be getting too crazy about stocks unless you're 100% invested and about to retire. That's not a good thing.
All right. Yes. And in a recent article, you did say that bargain hunting investors swooped in as the month ended, rescuing the performance of major indexes. Is that still your perspective, that there are a lot of bargains out there to be had?
Yeah, hopefully. We took the opportunity to run a picture of Stranger Things from Netflix in today's section. Partly because I just want to do it, but partly because Netflix is one of the stocks that's just been decimated, but it got so low that a lot of people bought Netflix at the end of last month. So if you're a stock picker, it could be a time to buy some of these good stocks that have been beaten down a lot. If you're a mutual fund investor, as I said, it's a different issue.
Right.
Make sure you have a good balance between stocks and bonds. You should be okay by the end of the year, but there's no guarantee this is going to be an up year. But overall, you should be okay.
Keep your timeline clear and don't worry too much. Well, William Power, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate your insight.
Happy to.
And we're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back with a lot more news, so stay with us. You're streaming CBS News.